Welcome back to the channel, folks. This is daily update for Bed Bath & Beyond. And before we continue on with the charts and the levels and where the stock is headed right now, I want to give you guys an advice. It's not a financial advice. It's something that I'm doing. I just want to lay out for you guys. Hopefully you guys understand what I'm trying to say here. This is not an investment stock right now, okay? There's a difference between an investment stock and a trade. This is a tradable stock, but not an investment stock. Investment is something like you would invest in Apple or, Nvidia or good stocks that their potential to grow and they pay dividends and things like that. This stock right here, the company is on the verge of dying right now, okay? The company's on the deathbed right now. The money they were able to raise, let's look at the SEC filing here because this is very important that we understand this, okay? The company received gross proceeding approximately $225 million on the closing day of February 7th, and additional approximately $800 million throughout the year. How are they doing it? They're offering 95 million common stock warrants, 84,000 preferred stock warrants, 23,000 convertible preferred stock. The bigger problem right here, 95 million common stock. Let's say the company who's the other side, Hudson Bay, is the counterparty who gave them the cash and they're going to get these securities. If they exercise this warrant right here, 95 million shares, they go ahead and they exercise this and then sell this in the market, then you have a dilution problem, right? You're going to have right now, there are 117 million shares outstanding. It's going to put that into 210 million. You know what's going to happen to the stock price? It's going to plummet, okay? And you also have right now, like immediately, they could convert their preferred stocks into common stock, okay? What that problem is, same thing here. They could sell off these stocks, convert it into common stock and sell these stocks in the market. That also caused dilution as well. So with that being said, stock came down today hard. Short selling was crazy. Let's talk about the cost to borrow right now. Right now, there are 80,000 shares available for 104%. Let's see what they did in the morning. So in the pre-market, they went ahead and they purchased about 80,000 shares. That quickly sold off. They went down to 2,000 for the balance. 65,000 were filled in again. Went down to the 300 balance, and then 85,000 were filled in again. So they're filling in quick to lend off the stocks to different institutions and retail investors to short the stock. Heavy shorting went on today. It went to a very critical level, $1.42. This is a very critical level. Again, it was touched a couple of times already. It bounced off of this, but there's always a potential that it could come down to $1.27 because it touched this level so much that eventually this level could become your resistance. Maybe, the seller could have this breakthrough and go down to $1.27. Then it could bounce off of that. Either way, I'm not blindly going in there. I'm making sure that I'm looking at my levels. 127, it's a very much, it seems like it might be a level it could get to. Again, my immediate supply level is $1.77. If it bounce off of this and let's say start moving upward momentum, it could go to $1.68 and hit $1.77 at that point. But let's see how the stock does tomorrow. I'll keep you guys posted. Talk to you guys in the next video.